Okay, let's have a look at time signatures. These are the pairs of numbers like 4 4 you see at the start of standard notation, and they tell you about the rhythm of the music. Now, the top number tells you how many beats are in each bar. For example, this 4 here means there are 4 beats in each bar, like this. Now, 4 is the most common number here, but you also come across other numbers like 3. This would mean there are 3 beats in each bar, like this. Now, less often you'll come across other numbers like 5 or 7. Whatever the number, it just tells you how many beats are in each bar. Now, the bottom number tells you about the length of each beat. In this case, the 4 on the bottom tells you that each beat lasts for a quarter note. You'll sometimes see other numbers on the bottom as well, but those are a bit trickier, so we'll cover them later. Now, it's important to understand that the time signature sets the rhythmic grid for the beats of the song, but you can fill each bar with any note types you want: quarter notes, half notes, whole notes, rests, and so on. Think of the notes as building blocks you can use to fill up the bar. This could be 4 quarter notes, worth 1 beat each, or 2 half notes, worth 2 beats each, 1 whole note, worth 4 beats all by itself, or some combination of notes. If we're playing in 3/4, we only have enough room for 3 beats. This might be 3 quarter notes, or a half note plus a quarter note, and so on. Notice there isn't room for a whole note, as it would be longer than the 3 beats in the bar. Now, it might start to feel like you're doing math instead of playing music, but if you just start to pay attention to the time signature when you're playing songs, it'll become second nature soon. Okay, so remember that the pair of numbers at the start of standard notation is called the time signature. The top number is the most important one for now. It tells you how many beats are in the bar. The bottom number tells you the type of beat. So a time signature of 4/4 means there are 4 quarter note beats